Hi guys, this is Cory from Redwater Dodge. Today I'm going to show you how the adaptive cruise control works and all the benefits to you. So some of the benefits of this is that typically also comes with lane keep assist. So using the adaptive cruise control, it'll keep eyes out for you, it'll keep the distance, it'll brake for you, accelerate for you, make driving super simple, and paired with the lane keep assist, it'll keep you nice and straight in the lane. Show you how to use adaptive cruise control in these trucks. Basically right here where your normal cruise control buttons are, turn it on, right? Set, resume, cancel, all that good stuff. But over here is going to be for the adaptive cruise control. To show how the adaptive cruise control works, this little guy here, you can close the distance or make the distance farther depending on how far you want to be from the car. So if you're looking to make your drive a little easier, think of picking up one of these vehicles with the adaptive cruise control.